Let us discuss a topic of mean and root mean square value of a function. In this, first we discuss about the mean. Mean is nothing but average. Average value of the function in an interval. Suppose y is equal to f of x function can be derived in the interval, derived on the interval a comma b. That is nothing but lower limit a and upper limit b. If the function can be divided into equal parts and we can take the interval can be divided into equal parts. So from that, we get the corresponding function values. Take the mean, that is nothing but average of the functional values of the n divisions. Suppose the x is defined on the interval a to b. That is nothing but if we can take the equal length, let it be h. If we can take the equal length, from the equal length, we can divide into n parts. That is nothing but a is the first, a plus h, a plus 2h, so on, a plus rh, so on, a plus n minus 1 into h. Total how many parts? N parts. Okay. These n parts, we get the corresponding functional values. Y is equal to f of x, that is equal to f of a plus h, f of a plus 2h plus, comma, so on, f of a plus rh, comma, so on, f of a plus n minus 1 into h. These are the n functional values for the from the equal length of the h of the n intervals. Total how many? N divisions. N divisions. So the mean of this function is nothing but f of a plus f of a plus h plus f of a plus 2h plus so on plus f of a plus rh plus so on plus f of a plus n minus 1 into h by n is equal to mean of the function. Mean of the function means f of x bar. Okay, that is nothing but f of x bar. Here n divisions means what is the length here? H is the equal length. The upper limit and lower limits are b and a. Here n is nothing but b minus a by h. That is nothing but each and every length, each and every values divisions are equal length, that is equal to h. This is the h. Small n is equal to b minus a into b minus a by small h. Now we can take the mean of the value, that is summation. It can be write it as n means h by b minus a. The division, in the division n is there. Now we can take mean of the function in the range a comma b, that is equal to here denominator n is there. So from this we can write 1 by n is equal to h by b minus a. This value is substitute in above. So mean is equal to h by b minus a. It can be written as summation when the limit h tends to 0. Summation here r equal to 0 to n minus 1 f of a plus rh. When you are taking r equal to 0, then you are getting the average. Average means mean of the functions corresponding of the n divisions. This is the mean. Okay. What is the mean value? The mean value formula is h by b minus a into limit h tends to 0. Or simply here we can take This is the h by b minus a sigma r equal to 0 to n minus 1 f of a plus rh. When we can take 1 by b minus a limit h tends to 0 summation r equal to 0 to n minus 1 f of a plus small rh. Okay. This is the mean value. It is the mean value of the function. This is the mean value of the function. What is the mean value of the function in the range a comma b? 1 by b minus a into limit h tends to 0 summation r equal to 0 to n minus 1 f of a plus rh. What is this? This is equal to 1 by b minus a integral a to b f of x dx is the mean value of f of x in the interval a comma b. We can take either that or this. If we are using the integration means summation only. Okay. Next, we can discuss about the another definition, that is the root mean square. Root mean square, that is nothing but RMS value of a function. Root mean square of a function or RMS value of a function. Here, what is the main function? The main function is, that is the mean value. Mean value of f of x is equal to, we know that 1 by b minus a integral a to b f of x dx. Okay. Now we can take root mean square of f of x. Root mean square means it is the root. This is the mean 1 by b minus a integral a to b square of f of x. F of x whole square into dx. That is the root mean square of f of x. Formula is under root of 1 by b minus a integral a to b f of x whole square dx. Okay. By using that formula, we can find out the root mean square value. By the mean value formula, we can find out the mean value of the function. Okay. First, we discuss some periods. For example, we take sin x. When we get the sin x, sin of 2 pi plus x. After the completion, one rotation, then we are getting the sin x. So from this, we can say that the period of sin x, what is that period of sin x is 2 pi. We have to remember periods also. In the same way, cos x period is also 2 pi only. The same value when we get after the rotation, period of cos x is 2 pi. In the same way, what is the tan x? Tan x is equal to tan of pi plus x. In the third quadrant, we get the same tan x without any negative, without any change of the sign. So the period of tan x is equal to pi. Next to cot x. Cot period is also pi only, pi plus x. The third quadrant sin and, in the third quadrant, tan and cot are positive. In the same way, in the second quadrant, sin is positive. If you think that, but it's not correct. The complete wave, sine and cos waves, completes in the period 0 to 2 pi only. Okay. So that is the period of, but tan periods are different. That is like this, tan and cot. So the period of sine cos are 2 pi. The period of tan and cot is pi only. Okay. Next, if sine PT period. Sine PT means sine of 2 pi plus PT. So for that, the period of sine x is, in that the period of sine x is whatever the coefficient is there for the variable that comes in the division. Okay. In the same way, cos PT equal to cos of 2 pi plus PT. That is nothing but the period of cos x equal to 2 pi by P. Tan PT period is tan of 2 pi plus PT, sorry, not 2 pi, tan of pi plus PT. In that period of tan is pi by P. These are you have to remember the periods of sine, cos, tan, cot. Okay. Next, we can take the problems to find the mean value of the given functions. The first one, find the mean value of x into a minus x over the range 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to a. We know that what is the formula of the mean value of the function? Mean value of the function f of x on closed interval a comma b is equal to 1 by b minus a integral a to b f of x dx. Here, what is the given function? Given function is f of x equal to x into a minus x over the range 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to a. That is nothing but here a is equal to 0, b equal to a. Substitute. Then the mean value of f of x over 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to a equal to 1 by a minus 0 integral 0 to a f of x is x into a minus x dx. It is equal to 1 by a integral ax dx limits from 0 to a minus integral 0 to a x into x squared dx is equal to 1 by a. A is a constant, x integration is x squared by 2 limits from 0 to a minus x squared integration is x cubed by 3 limits from 0 to a. Now substitute the limits, upper limit minus lower limit. It is equal to 1 by a into a squared by 2 minus 0 by something is 0 minus a cubed by 3 minus 0. It is equal to 1 by a into a square a cubed by 2 minus a cubed by 3. Taking the LCM, 1 by a right outside, 3 2s are 6, 3a cube minus 2a cube. It is equal to a cube 1 by a into a cube by 6. 1a cancel. It is equal to a square by 6 is the mean value of the given function over 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to a. The second problem, find the mean value of f of x equal to x e power x between 0 is less than x is less than 1. First, you recall the mean value formula. What is the mean value of f of x on the interval a comma b is equal to 1 by b minus a integral a to b f of x dx. This is the mean value of any function can be defined in interval. Here, given function is f of x equal to x e power x. It is defined on 0, 1. Okay, that is nothing but it is a comma b. Now, the mean value of f of x is equal to 1 by 1 minus 0 integral 0 to 1. F of x is x e power x dx. This is in UV. I late I. Algebraic is first u, exponential is second function. 1 by 1 is nothing but 1 only. So 1 minus 0 means 1 is equal to, what is the formula of integral uv dx is equal to u integral v dx minus integral u dash integral v dx whole dx. Or you take another formula also. Here u is the x integral e power x dx minus integral u dash is x derivative is 1 integral e power x dx whole dx. It is equal to x e power x integration is e power x minus integral e power x dx, that is equal to x e power x minus e power x, and the limits are 0 to 1. It is equal to 1 e power 1 minus e power 1 upper limit minus 0 e power 0 minus e power 0. It is equal to 1 into e power 1 is e minus e minus 0 plus 1. E get cancelled 1. Therefore, mean value of x e power x between 0 is less than x is less than 1 is equal to 1 is the answer. That is the mean value of the given function can be defined in the particular interval. Next problem. Third one. Find the mean value of f of x equal to log x on 1 comma e. It is the repeated question. Here, solution given f of x is equal to log x on the interval 1 comma e. We know that mean value of f of x on defined a comma b is equal to 1 by b minus a integral a to b f of x dx. It is the formula. Here, mean value of f of x on 1 comma e is equal to 1 by e minus 1 integral 1 to e log x dx. In this also, we can take the late form. This is equal to log is the u, 1 is the v. Okay. Here, that is equal to 1 by e minus 1 u, that is log x integral 1 dx minus integral log x differentiation is 1 by x integral 1 dx whole dx, limits from 1 to e, equal to 1 by e minus 1 Integral 1 dx is x log x minus integral 1 by x into integral 1 dx is x whole dx. Here x cancel. T is equal to 1 by e minus 1 x log x limits 1 to e